everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Hi you guys. Okay, so today we're gonna make some nachos. So come on, come cook with me. Let's make some nachos. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients that you're gonna need, okay? Here's my ground beef. So I just moved it to the side so it doesn't touch any of the ingredients that we're gonna top the nachos with, okay? So don't want to contaminate anything. All right, so I'm gonna use the nacho cheese Doritos. Okay, you're gonna need some ground beef. All right, and then we're gonna need some cheese sauce, and I have some shredded cheese also, you guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna use some onion powder and some taco seasoning to season up the ground beef. Okay, and then I got some tomatoes, and I'm gonna use some salsa, some black olives, and I have some lettuce, and I have sour cream, and these are diced jalapenos. Okay, and also we're gonna use some green onions. All right, so these are all my toppings for my nachos. Okay, this is all I'm using for my nachos that we're about to make right now. So this video is gonna move pretty quick because I've already done all the hard part. Everything's chopped up, okay, and ready to go. So all we gotta do is cook the ground beef and make the nachos. So you guys, very easy and quick video, okay? All right, so let's get started. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so here we go. So we're gonna cook the ground beef and we're gonna make these nachos. Very fast video, okay? Okay, and you can put whatever spices you want on your ground beef, you guys. I like to use my taco sauce, okay? I'm gonna use some taco seasoning on mine, and then just some onion powder because I'm not using onions. So I'm just gonna put onion powder in there, okay? And then I'm gonna put my taco seasoning, okay? And then you're just gonna mix all this together and let it cook all the way. That's all we're doing. Very simple. Okay. We're gonna make some delicious nachos. Something fun for the family. I think everyone loves nachos. I haven't met a person who doesn't love nachos. Have you guys? I haven't. Okay. All right. So there's nothing new here, you guys. So all thing you're doing is cooking your ground beef. All right. So I'm just gonna speed up the video for you guys. Okay. So you don't have to go see all this. I'll speed up the video, okay? Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the ground beef is ready, okay? Now it's time to make those nachos. The hard part is over. The hard part is just making whatever meat you're gonna use with it. Easy part is making the nachos. And it's fun making your nachos, right? It's a fun meal you can make with your kids. That's really fun to have the kids help out. So make some nachos with your kids. Let them put the toppings on. They will love that. I used to do that with my kids when they were younger. Okay, so this ground beef is ready, you guys. All right, so we're gonna go over and make the nachos. Okay, so I'll meet you over on the other side. Okay, so we have all the ingredients. Okay, this is all the ingredients we're gonna use for our nachos. Okay, all right, so let me take everything off of here and bring the meat over. Okay, so these are the nachos I'm using. Okay, all right, okay, and here's our beef. Okay, here's the ground beef we're using. It's ready. Okay, so let me move everything to the side. Ooh. I'm just putting everything to the side so I can reach it, you guys. All right, and let me put the ground beef over here. And let's get our bowl, okay? Here we go. Let's make some nachos. Alright, so that's enough. Spread them out. Alright, and then I need some spoons. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna add some cheese sauce on it first. I'm gonna add my cheese sauce first, okay? I'm just gonna sprinkle that wherever it lands. Okay. All right. Next, I'm gonna get the meat. All right. I'm gonna use the beef for my nachos. Sprinkle the meat over the nachos. And I like mine's really meaty. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. All right, so next I'm gonna add the other cheese, just a little bit of that, so it can melt on the meat while it's hot. And just put some all over, okay? All over. All right. Okay, next we're gonna put some. Let's use some tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you want to use, you guys. Okay. We'll have lots of color in here. That look good? Looking delicious. Okay, then I'm gonna get some jalapeno peppers. Give it a little spice. These are diced jalapeno peppers that I found. Well, yeah. Actually, you guys, I think these are the green chilies. Sorry, these are the green chili peppers that I'm using. And I got them in a can at the grocery store, okay? Sorry about that. Okay, now we're gonna use our black olives. Okay, look at that color. I love a colorful dish. Makes me so happy. Okay, now I'm gonna use some green onions. That's what I really love, to see that green on there. Okay, look at that coming together just good. Okay, and then we're gonna get some lettuce. Sprinkle some lettuce on it. Okay, not too much. And then I'm gonna add some more chips around the edges of it so it can look the way I want it to look when I'm done, you guys. But first, let me put some sour cream. Okay, that's the sour cream. Maybe I'll give it 2 notches of the sour cream. All right. And then I'm gonna get some salsa. I'm gonna add the salsa and sprinkle it all over. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious. Okay, now what I wanna do is get my Doritos and decorate it more. You know, I gotta make it look nice and appetizing. So I'm gonna put my nachos around it like that. All around the bowl. Trim it with the nachos. Like that, you guys. You see what I'm doing? That's what I want to do. Just trim the bowl with the nachos. That. All the way around, okay? Look at that. I want the nachos all around the bowl, on the edges of the bowl. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and there you have it. You have some delicious nachos. Okay, put that right there. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, don't that look delicious? Okay, put that around. Put a little bit more right there. Okay, alrighty. Okay, move everything out the way. Okay, you guys. All right, hold on. Gotta do my spinner. Make sure she's in the camera in the right position. Okay? Look at that, you guys. Delicious, delicious nachos. Don't that look good? Don't it look delicious? Let me give you a closer look. Delicious nachos. Okay, you guys, that's it. Delicious, delicious nachos. Make it slow. Okay. And there you have it. You have delicious, delicious nachos. Don't they look delicious? Ooh, look at it. Let me give you a closer look. Ooh, look at that. Don't it look delicious, you guys? Okay, that's my nachos. Nachos. Delicious nachos. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making the nachos with me. A fast meal for your kids, you guys. So, enjoy. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. But please, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And please, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys. See you on the next one. And don't forget to check out the shorts video for this video also.